Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is thesis paper. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is thesis paper? A thesis is a type of research paper based on your original research. It is usually submitted as the final step of a master's program or a capstone to the bachelor's degree. Writing a thesis can be a daunting experience. Other than a dissertation, it is one of the longest pieces of writing students typically complete. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is thesis paper is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.